If you work in the nonprofit space, you know that feeling. Grant season. It's just a constant cycle of research, writing, and those never-ending deadlines. It's relentless.
Oh, for sure. But what if there was a genuinely smarter way to handle it all? Today, we're diving into a guide that breaks down how new AI tools can help your team stop just surviving the grant cycle and actually start thriving in it.
And we really have to start right here, because this is the pain point for so many organizations. You have these amazing, passionate people on your team, but they're getting completely buried. So what's really going on? Why is this happening?
Yeah, and the numbers here, they tell the story pretty clearly. We're looking at an 18% annual turnover rate for these development roles. Think about that. That's almost 1 out of every 5 people leaving each year. It's not because they've lost their passion, it's the crushing weight of all the administrative work.
Exactly. You know the drill. You're manually digging through dozens of databases, tweaking the same story for 10 different applications, and pulling together budget after budget. It's that repetitive grind that leads directly to burnout and pushes your best people right out the door.
So it makes total sense that a lot of you have turned to AI for a little help. You're using it to maybe draft an email or clean up some copy, just trying to get some time back in your day. But here's the real question. Has any of that actually led to more funding? And this is where we see a massive disconnect. The latest data shows that while a whopping 92% of nonprofits are using AI, only 7% are seeing a real strategic impact from it. The guide we're looking at calls this the efficiency trap. You feel like you're getting more done, but your actual grant win rates, they aren't going up.
Right, and this breaks it down perfectly. On one side, you've got AI just handling those little surface-level tasks. But on the other side, you have technology that actually frees you up for the work that drives revenue. Things like building real, lasting relationships with funders. That's the stuff that lands the big grants.
And here's the critical thing to understand. Not all AI is built the same. The problem really starts when we try to use these generic, off-the-shelf chatbots for something as complex as a grant proposal. These tools are known to, well, hallucinate facts, make up deadlines, and this is a big one, create huge data privacy risks with your sensitive information.
So the solution is a totally different approach called grounded AI. Instead of just inventing things, it pulls all of its information from a live, verified database. It actually understands the nonprofit world, the lingo, the compliance rules, and maybe most importantly, it shows you its sources so you can actually trust what it's telling you.
When you have an assistant that's actually built for this work, it can completely change your entire process. It's not just a single tool, it's a partner for the whole cycle. It helps you find the right funders, draft the application, make sure it's compliant, and even keep track of your entire funding pipeline.
Yeah, and let's just talk about that contextual discovery piece for a second, because the scale is just mind-blowing. This isn't your basic keyword search. We're talking about an engine that scans over 1,200 active grant opportunities every single day to find that perfect match for your mission.
Exactly. And that's what makes it so incredibly powerful. It understands the intent. So if your project is about, say, disadvantaged youth, the AI knows to look for funders who care about at-risk teenagers. It sees beyond just the words to the actual alignment, which can save you hundreds of hours you might have wasted chasing the wrong leads.
Okay, but let's get to the elephant in the room here. The big question, the fear that everyone has. Does this kind of technology just take over and make the human grant writer obsolete? I mean, is it even ethical to have a machine writing these deeply personal stories?
No, absolutely not. And the model this guide lays out is all about the human in the loop. Think of it this way. The AI does about 80% of the heavy lifting. It builds the structure, pulls the data, checks the compliance boxes. But that final critical 20%, that's all you. That's the storytelling, the heart, the emotional connection that only a person can bring.
This quote from the team behind this guide just says it all perfectly. AI is here to elevate the nonprofit professional, not replace them. It's not about replacement at all. It's about elevation. It's about taking all that robotic work off your plate so you can focus on the parts of the job that truly need your unique expertise and your passion.
And of course, protecting that trust you've built is non-negotiable. A purpose-built tool makes sure your organization's unique voice is always front and center. And crucially, it means your sensitive data about the people you serve is never, ever used for training the AI model. With top-tier encryption and compliance checks built right in, it's designed from the ground up to protect you.
So just picture this for a second. Imagine a world where you're not stuck behind your screen all day just formatting documents. All that administrative work is handled. Now, you're out there building strategic relationships with program officers. You've gone from being a back-office writer to a frontline fundraiser.
And really, that's the bottom line here. When you finally break out of that efficiency trap and automate the right things, you unlock so much strategic potential. So the real question to leave you with is this. With all that time freed up, what new partnerships could you build? What new level of funding could you unlock? What could your organization achieve? That's the true promise of working smarter.